Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, Online Toy Store. I am using latest PHP version 8 and the MySQL version is 8, and this is a bootstrap thing. So we have used the Visual Studio Code ID. So this technology stacks we have used for development this project, and this is a responsive thing. This is a mobile version of the project. You can see. So now let's start the features of the projects. Our project title is Online Toy Store, and we have developed this project with two different types of interface. First one is user interface, and second one is admin interface. Both are totally different interface, but both are responsive, and we are using Bootstrap latest version. So this is a major project, you can see, because we have developed two different types of interface. You can learn a lot of things from this project. How can you manage the database, how can create, update, delete CRUD applications, many of things you can learn. So let's start the features that we have developed in this project. So this is a home page. You can see this is a totally mobile responsive project, and this is a about us page. This is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. If you want to change this content, you can change from the directly about.php file from the code. Same, this is a products page. You can see all the toys. You can see all the toys are visible. All the toys are coming from the database, which we have added inside the database. You can add the number of products in this page. So this is totally dynamic page. You can see the details about the infant music toys. If you want to more details, you can see price, name, type, id, which is same for the categories. We have added 8 categories, but you can add the number of categories. Okay, because this is a dynamic page and all the categories coming from the database. If you want to add a number of categories, you can add from the database. So now this is a registration page. Here user can easily registration. This is a login page. Without login, you can't access the page. You must have the user ID and password. This is a contact us page. This is a dynamic page, but we have integrated a small map here. So now, now if you want to buy from this portal, baby doll. Okay, so you can click on view details. You can add the number of items from here and click on the add to cart. Oh, this is a restrictions page. With the without login, you can't buy the can't buy the toy. So you must have the user account on this portal for buying any toys. Without account, you can't buy any toys. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. This is a user dashboard. First, click on products page, click on view details. You can add the number of item from here and click on add to cart. You can see the two items and the amounts gets calculating automatically, and the total amount, that much amount you need to pay. That much amount you need to pay. Click on the proceed to checkout. This is a make payment page. This is a dummy page, not real in this page. You can click at the you can any number add. This is a visa card and expiry xyz cvv 123. Click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done. After that, you can see order summary, two items and the order summary. This is a dashboard, user dashboard. You can see total orders, confirmed orders, transit orders, delivered orders. This is a user dashboard. You can see here, this is a important links. Either you can go on the page from this or either clicking on the page. You can see if you want to click on eye icon, you can see the details of the order. Now click on my orders page. You can see all orders, your order history, and this is a my account page. Here user can easily update his account, and this is a change password. Here user can easily update his password. So this is all about the user front-end panel thing. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see the administration option is showing, logout option is also showing, and the dashboard option is showing. After the logout, you can see the upper menu has been changed because of the session driven. So this is a front, this is all about the front end panel we have developed inside the project. Now comes on the admin panel. For the admin slash admin. So this is a admin panel. You need to login routes, right? So without login, you can't access the internal page. So the admin user ID is admin@gmail.com and the password is test. Click on the sign in. Oh, this is a very attractive and great dashboard we have created for the admin panel. Here you can see the total orders, total delivered orders, confirmed order. You can see everything from here. So this is the dashboard. Even this is a drag and drop thing because you can minimize it from here. Minimize is from here like this. And this is, and now click on this. You can see. So here this is a total order section, total customer, total products. This is all things you can see. This is a quick menu. From here you can go on the page. You can see this is a menu. If you click on the menu, will be hide. So this is the view of the page after hiding the menu. If you don't want to hide, so this is the main option. So this is all of the all product when you can edit it from here. There is a pagination here. You can see there is a basic pagination here. Okay, now click on the product management, add products page. Here admin can easily add the new products, and same this is for product report. You can see all the admin products report. You can easily edit and delete from here. You can click on edit. The product will be open in a edit format. So this is all the product report. You can see if you want to, oh, if you want to see the product report, you if you can see the export the data, whole data in CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. You can do also column. You can do disable or enable to the column from it. If you don't want to see the type or click on the type, you can see the type has been not visible. If you want to click on the, if you want to see the type, then you can click on the type, then you can see the type here. Same for the category. Here admin can easily add new category, and this is a category report. You can see all the category report. You can easily edit and delete from here, and you can export the data CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. This is the order management. You can see all the orders from here. If you want to click on the confirmed order, you can see. If you want to cancel the order, you can click on that and update. Now you can see the your order has been cancelled. So you can see all order report from here. Now add customer page. This is a add customer page. Here admin can easily add the new customer, and this is a customer report. You can see all the customer report from here, and you can easily edit and delete from here. This is a change password. Here admin can easily update his password, and this is a logout page. Now comes on the home page. So this is all the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also view of user panel. So we have developed these two different type of interface for for the managing this whole project online toy store. So this is all the feature we have developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. So don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.